Keep working hard. Focus on your long term goal. It's not the excuse that count, but the fire in your soul. A very good morning and warm welcome to one and all present here in today's expert talk, The Winning Edge by Sri Rajesh Bhatia Sir, Head Human Resource Department, AGGET. We welcome you, sir. I gladly
Yeah,
welcome our
thank you.
institution director. Thank you, sir. I gladly welcome our institution director, Dr. Vikas Mishra, sir, Mr. Arvind Singh Pemawat, sir, Head Training and Placement Department, and Dr. Vishal Jain, Head Basic Science Department. And now I request our director, sir, to welcome Rajesh Bhatia, sir, and address the student. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Deepika ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Good morning, one and all.
Good morning
Morning,
to you.
everybody. And it is indeed my great privilege and honor to welcome Honorable Sri Rajesh Bhatia
Thank
Sahab,
you. Thank
Head
you very
Human
much.
Resources, our very old friend, well-wisher, mentor and guide. Namaskar, sir. स्वागत है आपका,
Namaste.
sir.
Namaste, sir. Thank you so
Always,
much, sir.
it's always a pleasure to see you with the pleasing personality and to interact always. We feel positivity after meeting you and seeing you. So I welcome
Same
you on
here.
behalf of Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies. And sir, we are really very thankful to you that on a very short notice, on a very short request, on a very short, just a very informal request that you accepted to guide to our first year student. Basically, the today's participant audience is the students of first year, those who have just started their education with the higher studies, with the BTech course. So there can be no other better person than you to
Thank
guide
you.
them कि कैसे एक positive edge या in what way, what is the mantra of being getting success life में अगर
So I'm not able to
Sir,
hear you.
director sir.
I'm not able to hear. आपने हाँ.
yeah
Yeah, sorry, sir. Yeah, now it's again. It's please unmute it. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah am I audible?
you're audible, sir. Now.
Yeah. So I was saying कि the audience today is a first year student, so there can't be a better expert than you, sir, who can give them that guidance, that motivation कि क्या बेसिक मूल मंत्र है सफलता के अगर लाइफ में कैरियर का जो उनका आगे आने वाला 40-45 साल का एक एक्टिव कैरियर की जो ये अगले 4 साल कॉलेज के साथ रहने वाले हैं उसमें
Right.
शुड बी देयर do's and don'ts. So we can't have a better choice than you. And friends, I would
Thank
like to
you.
share here with you all that sir is heading a company which in which more than probably 3,000 plus employees are working in Udaipur, and a big contribution our gate is doing to the city of Udaipur and to the surrounding areas. It is one of the largest employment generator company also. So I welcome you, sir. I am not going to
Thank you
take
very
much of
much.
the time क्योंकि basically मैं तो अंदर का part हूँ. आप I'm aware you are you are sitting in your office. Your time is more precious. We all are here. Our students are waiting कि आपके words of wisdom को सुने, आपके द्वारा जो guidance मिलेगी. I am sure वो students के लिए बहुत ही काम की चीज होगी और मेरा स्टूडेंट्स को एडवाइस होगा कि मेक बेस्ट यूज ऑफ टुडेज सेशन क्योंकि इस तरह के सेशंस आपको बहुत कम मिलते हैं जहाँ पे कि इतने सीनियर प्रोफाइल के लोग अपना टाइम निकाल के अगर आ रहे हैं तो दे हैव गॉट इमेंस टू टेल विद यू सो उनसे आप इंटरेक्ट हो एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशन और सर के द्वारा बताई हुई बातों को जीवन में अगर आपने तो आधा भी आत्मसात कर लिया तो आपका जीवन कामयाब हो जाएगा. दैट इज व्हाट इज माय मैसेज, माय इंस्ट्रक्शन टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट. वंस अगेन थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
ओवर टू यू दीपिका मैम.
Thank you, sir. You become excellent when you fly at a level that creates a wide gap between what you were before and where you have reached now. And this journey of learning gives you immense experiences to explore the new horizon. I humbly welcome our today's expert speaker who has 32 years experience in human resource department public relations, learning and development, aircraft maintenance engineer, IT consulting, and KPO and BPO outsourcing. He is a HR head of Argit and have 2000 plus people strong outsourcing leader that helps some of the most innovative startups in the world with all training data augmentation, data entry, lead generation, customer onboarding, and providing search quality. I welcome Rajesh Bhatia sir and invite him to address the student with his expert talk. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, and thank you for giving out your time. And first of all, I welcome all the students here. All the best for your future endeavors. And so let's begin the show. So I'll begin. I've taken the title as the winning edge. Winning edge means not standing at the building and winning, shouting loudly, "Yes, you have won." I'll start with a story. Everybody knows Brad Hogg. He's a bowler. He's a cricketer. In 2007, when he came in the cricket industry, and the first person he bowled was Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, and the master he bowled him clean bowled, and he was so happy he was out of because to take a wicket of Sachin Tendulkar is a great achievement for him. So after the match, he went to his, the green room, the dressing room, and he's told him, "यार, sir, इस ball के ऊपर आप एक autograph दे दो मेरा कि because this is my first wicket and you are my first wicket." So Sachin Tendulkar wrote on the ball that आज this is the last time you have taken my wicket. इसके बाद आप मेरा wicket कभी नहीं ले पाओगे. So that is the confidence. And after that, they have made around 30 to 35 times in IPL in 2020, in test matches, in cricket, 50 over matches. Till today, he was not, he could not take Sachin's wicket. So that is determination. But behind the determination, behind the winning edge, he had practice. He practice क्योंकि इज्जत तो रखना है, बोल तो दिया, अभी वो बात की इज्जत रखनी है. So he has to practice. So you have to practice a lot when you're being trained by your mentors. Pablo Picasso, everybody know him. एक लेडी गई बोली मुझे एक ड्राइंग चाहिए आपका, मैं बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ. तो उसने खाली 30 सेकेंड में एक स्केच कर दिया उसने आर्ट के ऊपर. एंड उसने बोला ये आर्ट 50 लाख रुपए का है. तो शी वाज शॉक्ड. 30 सेकेंड में एक ऐसे ऐसे लाइन बना दिया. बोला 50 लाख का, मतलब हाउ इज पॉसिबल. तो शी वेंट टू अ डीलर. वो आर्ट लिखा कर लेके गए, आर्ट जो आर्टिफैक्ट्स लेते हैं. तो उसको बोली इसका कीमत बताओ. बोला ये तो पिकासो का लग रहा है, इसका कीमत तो 50 लाख है, आप बताओ कितना चाहिए. तो शी वाज शॉक. 30 सेकंड में 50 लाख. शी वेंट बैक टू पिकासो, ढूंढी उसको सब म्यूजियम्स में, एंड शी वेंट देयर. वहां पहुंचते ही एंड वहां पहुंचते उसने पूछा भाई ये 30 लाख का मुझे भी सिखाओ, कैसे बनाते हैं 50 लाख का. बोला ये 50 लाख जो 30 सेकंड में बनाया ना, 30 सेकंड बनाने के लिए मुझे 30 साल लगे हैं. मुझे 30 years I've given. तो आज मैं आपके सामने बैठा हूँ, वो भी 30 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. सो आज मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ. कल मैं आपके पास वहां बैठा था, आज मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ क्योंकि 30 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. एंड नाउ लेट्स कम टू द मेन पार्ट, हाउ you should have a winning edge than others. So for that you should have an attitude. I'm sure like all of you might be having a pen and your notepad with you so that you can jot down the points which I actually speak here. I hope you all are having that. Now, let me tell about the attitude. So the attitude means it is the ability that teaches us how we do. Motivation determines why we do it, and attitude decides how well we do it. So that is the importance of an attitude. So means the foundation of success, regardless of your chosen field, is attitude. So our attitude determines how we look at a setback. To a positive thinker, a setback can be a stepping stone to success. To a negative thinker, it can be a stumbling block. So great thinkers and philosophers feel and believe that every problem comes with an equal or greater opportunity for success. So I'll just ask you a brief, like, because I won't be able to hear you, but I wanted to have an interaction session with you. So what are the benefits of positive attitude and the advantages of positive attitude? So I can say, like, it makes you, you have a pleasing personality. It is quite energizing. It gives fulfillment and makes life beautiful. It inspires oneself and others, helps people become contributing members and assist to the society and not a liability to the society. It increases productivity and profits, fosters teamwork and better relationships, solves problems and makes positive decisions, brings pride in performance and improves quality, breeds loyalty and dependability, reduces stress and increase happiness. So in other words, I'll take in short, in other words, a positive attitude leads to happy, healthy, and prosperous life. But with positive, there are people who are negative. Negative attitudes leads to what? Bitterments, bitterness. It leads to resentments, discontentments. It reaches to frustrations, a purposeless life, ill health, and high stress for self and others. So never keep a negative attitude, because create an unpleasant environment at home, in your college, in work, in your society, and they pass their negativity to others around them. So people who are negative are liability to the society and they are not assets. So never be negative, always be positive and build a positive attitude always, because a winner has a solution for every problem and the loser has a problem for every solutions. So always build a positive attitude. And since you are a student, you are into a college, so you always get into a continuous education program. If you want to build a character in your college, in your office, in your home or society, we must achieve a minimum level of moral and ethical literacy. Education that builds fundamental traits of character such as honesty, compassion, courage, persistence, responsibility is absolutely essential. We need an academic education. Of course, Gitanjali is one of the best institute I have seen in Udaipur. It is one of the best institutes. We have very quality students. Education is important. Academic education is important, but we need more value-based education also. You all know knowledge is information, it is potential power, and becomes power only when we act upon it. So learning is not like eating. It is not how much we eat, it is how much we digest. That is more important. So to become a successful person, you should have formal education. If you have 6 C's, so 6 C's means character, commitment, conviction, courtesy, courage, and finally the competence. Okay, we say I'm skilled, I'm competent, but what is the difference between the skill and competent? What do you feel? So skill is the ability and competence is the ability along with the willingness and desire to apply what is learned. Desire is the attitude that makes a skillful person competent. Okay, we all know what are the five senses. One is your touch, one is your taste, one is the sight, one is the smell, and the other one is the hearing. But the successful people have the sixth sense. That is called common sense. So common sense is the ability to see things as they are and do them as they ought to be done. So you should have a continuous education. Let me tell you a small story. How do you sharpen your axe? Like say, there are two friends. They have gone in a jungle and they are cutting trees. But the end of the day, they have collected huge amount of woods. Out of that, one friend used to he cut from morning to the evening continuously without stopping. And there was his friend who used to take a break of 2 minutes, 3 minutes after like 1 hour cutting, and then used to again start cutting. So at the end of the day, they found that the person who is continuously cutting has less woods cut, and the person who has cut, with breaks, has more woods cut. So how? What was the reason behind that? The reason behind that was he used to sharpen his axe when he is taking rest. So when you are studying, you have to focus and you have to sharpen your skills. Keep sharpening your skills. They will provide you with your mentors will provide with education, but you have to sharpen your skills. So you have to learn to like the things that need to be done. For example, like, do you think athletes they like to practice? Probably not. But he does it anyways. Some things need to be done whether we like them or not. So this way, it's always will be fun and maybe painful also. But if we learn to like the tasks, impossible becomes possible. So start your day with something positive. Read, listen to something positive. First thing in the morning, you come. After good night's sleep, relax. Relax your subconscious mind. Be receptive. It sets a tone for the day and puts in the right frame of mind to make a day positive. In order to bring about change, we need to make conscious effort and be committed to make positive thoughts and behavior as part of our lives. So let me uh, close this particular topic, with 8 action steps which you have discussed earlier. So the points which I discussed right now, so we have to look for the positive. We have to make a habit of doing it now. Develop an attitude of gratitude. Create a continuous education program for yourself. Build positive self-esteem. Stay away from your negative influences. Learn to like the things that need or ought to be done, and start your day with something positive. So that brings us like how we define success. Like for you, for us, or many people, success means wealth. To others, it may be recognition, maybe good health, good family, happiness, satisfaction, and peace of mind. But what this really tells is that success is subjective. Success means different things to different people. So the definition I feel the best summarizes success in is progressive realization of a worthy goal. What do you mean by progressive? It means that success is a journey, not a destination. It is an ongoing process. What is the realization in that? It means it is an experience, and you have to be worthy. So, worthiness means defines the quality of a journey. It is a value system which determines the quality of a journey. So, worthiness is what gives meaningful and fulfillment in a life. So, success without fulfillment is empty. That's like a good looking person, and but he's not having goodness in them. It is like we need substance over form, not form over substance. एंड अगर ऋतिक रोशन को आप पकड़ो, ऋतिक रोशन हैंडसम है, ही इज अ ग्रीक गॉड, बट अगर वो बुरा आदमी होता है तो उसकी गुड लुक्स का हम क्या करते हैं? सो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज लाइक. And finally, as a student, as anybody, goal is very important. And goals are important because they give us a sense of direction. So now coming to the topic, the winning edge. What do you mean by winning edge? So in order to get a winning edge, we need to strive for excellence, not perfection. Excellence is a continuous improvement. So there is nothing that cannot be done better or improved the next time. तो आज आपको पता चला, अरे यार मैंने अच्छा नहीं किया, वो अच्छा नहीं किया, नहीं, तुम स्ट्राइव करो, तभी तो आप विनर बनोगे. सो ऑल दैट वी नीड इज दैट लिटिल एज. वो चाहिए, अब वो होगा तो ही आप विन कर पाओगे. सो हाउ डू वी मेजर सक्सेस? हम बोलते हैं मैं सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए, मेजर करने के लिए, यू हैव टू हैव द फीलिंग टू नो दैट वी हैव डन द जॉब वेल and we have achieved our objectives. That is the feeling, that is the true success. And success is not measured by the position in life, but it is the obstacles we overcome to get there. Okay, now let us talk about human beings. The what is do you think the greatest gift of a human being is? The greatest, I'll tell you, the greatest gift that humans have the ability to think. Of all the creatures in the world, like humans are physically the most ill-equipped people. Human cannot fly like a bird. They cannot outrun a leopard. They cannot swim like an alligator. Nor they can climb trees like a monkey. A human doesn't have the eyes of an eagle, nor the claws of a teeth of a wild cat. Physically, actually, I'll tell you frankly, you human beings are like helpless and defenseless. A small, tiny insect also can kill them. You know that. So, but nature is very kind to us. Nature has gifted a humankind this the ability to think. Humans can create their own environment. I repeat, humans can create their own environment, whereas animals have to adapt to that environment. They cannot create. That is the ability of person. So you have to use that ability. So you have to have that desire to be success. You should have that commitment to be success. You should be a responsible person. You should be have responsibility. You should have hard work. Like Tendulkar, he might have, you just imagine how much hard work he might have done, to practice, and every time he goes on the field. And you should have a character, because a character sums up a person's values, beliefs, and personality. Positive thinking and believing also one more thing, because a positive thing means a person is solution or success focused. So you have to be always focused on your success. Whereas positive believing means the person has a reason to believe that they will succeed. So to succeed in life, one needs both the skills and will. Mean the skill and the will. And one without the other, it will not work. So what you get, you have to give more. Always think in terms of giving more than is expected by your customer, your friends, your teachers, your spouse, your parents, your children. So whenever you do anything, ask yourself, how can I add value to what I'm doing? Or how can I give added value to others? So all successful people, they have gained success because they persisted. Persistence, how it comes? It comes from purpose of life. तो आपकी लाइफ में पर्पस है? क्या आपने सोचा है कि मेरे लाइफ में क्या पर्पस है? Life without purpose is like drifting. A person who has no purpose will never persevere and will never feel fulfilled. So persistence बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. मैं आपको परफॉर्मेंस जो आप करोगे उसमें भी आप प्राइड लो. जो भी परफॉर्मेंस करता है प्राइड लो, बट उसमें ईगो नहीं दिखता है. समटाइम परफॉर्मेंस में अगर आप प्राइड लेते हो उसमें ईगो नहीं दिखेगा, बिकॉज इट रिप्रेजेंट्स हाई स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस विद ह्यूमिलिटी. हम्बल रहो, मगर परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में बताओ. एग्जांपल आई टेल यू, 3 people, they are laying bricks, ईंट बना रहे हैं. A passerby asks them, like, what are they doing? So the first replied, don't you see I am making a living? The second said, don't you see I am laying bricks? The third one said, I am building a beautiful monument. So here are the 3 people doing the same thing who had totally different perspectives and what they are doing. They had 3 very different attitudes about their work. And will their attitude affect the performance? The answer is yes, it will affect. People who take pride in their performance hold themselves accountable for much higher standards of performance than others. So you also have to set a benchmark, for these higher standards of performance in your college, so that you get best mark, get good mark, be focused. So excellence comes with the performer if he takes pride in doing his best. Be happy. मैंने किया है, मैंने इतने स्कोर मार्क्स किया है, और स्कोर मार्क के पीछे मेरे पास जो है वो मैंने जो हार्ड वर्क किया है. सो आई एम विलिंग टू बी a student. So I'm having mentors in Gitanjali College who are very good mentors. The best mentors, best teachers, professors are in Gitanjali College, who have been absorbed after going through, you can see the interview which they go through. So they choose their mentors very carefully. A good mentor will guide you and give you direction, whereas a bad mentor will misguide you. So you show respect to good mentors. Be an interested student, because an interested student gets the best out of his teacher. And now I'll just speak about few words about motivation. People talk मेरे को आई एम मोटिवेटेड, पर उनको ये नहीं पता है कि इंस्पिरेशन और मोटिवेशन के बीच में फर्क क्या है. थॉट्स मूव लॉजिक, emotions move feelings, motivation moves us into that action. So motivation is a driving force in our lives. It comes from desire to succeed. I hope you're getting it. So the greatest enemy of motivation is complacency. Complacency leads to lack of effort. When people are complacent, they don't grow because they cannot identify what is needed in their lives. So you have to have motivation. As I told you, what is the difference between inspiration and motivation? I just tell you, inspiration is thinking. So if you are thinking, you are inspired by thing, that is thinking. And motivation is the action after you are inspired by that, whatever you're inspired of. So when you act on that, that is motivation. So people can be inspired to motivate themselves and others. So in order to inspire people to motivate themselves, we need to understand their needs and wants. So, what is the greatest motivator? Is it money? Is it recognition? Is it improving the quality of life? Acceptance by those we love? All of these can be motivating forces. But remember, for me, for everybody, the real motivator is belief. We have to inculcate in ourselves the belief that we are responsible for our actions and behavior. When people accept responsibility, everything improves. The quality of life, the productivity, their relationships, their teamwork, everything, you know. So you must, to do this, you must have a goal. Goal setting, where people are really confused what is a goal actually means. They think dreams. People confuse goals with dreams and wishes. Dreams and wishes are nothing more than desires, and desires are always weak. You always remember, desires are always weak because desire becomes strong when they are supported by around 5 points. You can say 5 Ds. Desire becomes strong when they are supported by 5 Ds: direction, dedication, determination, discipline, and deadlines. So this is how you get the goal. This is what differentiates a desire from a goal. So goals are dream with deadline, clear directions, and action plans. So what I want is like you must always balance the goals. So आपको साइकिल के तार मालूम है, साइकिल के टायर के स्पोक्स बोलते हैं उसको, उनके तार मालूम है. तो हमारे लाइफ में, हमारे गोल्स में करीबन 6 ऐसे स्पोक्स होते हैं जिसको यू हैव टू ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. द नंबर वन इज द फैमिली. Our loved ones are the reason to live and make a living. Financial represents our career and the things that money can buy. Physical, without good health, nothing makes sense. COVID देख लिया आपने. Mental, this represents knowledge and wisdom. Social, every individual and organization has social responsibility. Without this, the society starts dying. Believe me, society का, organization का बहुत ज्यादा है, जरूरत है कि अपने लोगों को मतलब responsible बने, उनको एक strong Indians बनाए उनको, and otherwise it will start dying. And finally है spiritual. Spiritual means your value system represents ethics and character. अगर किसी भी एक भी स्पोक्स अलाइनमेंट खराब हो गया, योर लाइफ गोज आउट ऑफ बैलेंस. सो टेक अ फ्यू मिनट्स, जस्ट कंसीडर इफ एनी वन ऑफ द स्पोक्स आर मिसिंग, आप लाइफ में फिर क्या करोगे. तो लास्ट में एंडिंग करने के लिए, कंक्लूड करने के लिए, आई जस्ट टेल कि आपको अपने लाइफ में एक पर्पस होना चाहिए. पर्पस इज वेरी गुड आपके लाइफ में. what good it is if you gain the whole world and lose your conscience. The purposeless life is like a living dead. What is your purpose in life? आपकी लाइफ में पर्पस क्या है, आपके पास है भी या नहीं है. तो पर्पस brings what? It brings passion. find or create a purpose and then pursue in with the passion and perseverance. आपको मुझे इस कंपनी में ज्वाइन करना है, उस कंपनी में ज्वाइन करना है, उस कंपनी में करना है, उसके लिए आप पैशन रखो, पेशेंस रखो, सबर रखो आप, एंड बी हार्ड वर्क करो. देखो लोग बोलते हैं स्मार्ट वर्क करो, मैं बिलीव नहीं करता स्मार्ट वर्क में. मैं स्मार्ट वर्क के लिए भी आपको हार्ड वर्क की जरूरत है, नहीं तो स्मार्ट वर्क होगा ही नहीं. तो आपको हार्ड वर्क के स्मार्ट वर्क के साथ साथ हार्ड वर्क करना जरूरी है. सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. And once our purpose and the values are very clear, conflicts between self interest and social obligations find a moral balance among themselves. This is when we start making the right decisions for a long term gain rather than making a wrong decisions for a short term gain. So that's what I wanted to say. So whatever minimum I could cover in this, there are the subject is huge, vast, बट आज तक आपके लिए इतना ठीक है. कोविड के लिए भी मीडिया वाले यूल सी कि एक मक्खी जैसे हो गए, पूरे बदन को छोड़कर सिर्फ जख्म पर बैठते हैं. तो जख्म के बारे में ज्यादा बात करते हैं, नहीं करना है, हमको पॉजिटिव रहना है. आई हैव सीन पॉजिटिव्स इन दिस कोविड टाइम. आई एम रियली सॉरी, वी आर रियली, जो जिन्होंने अपने खोए हैं, अपने लोगों को खोया है, हम उनके लिए प्रे करेंगे. दे हैव लॉस्ट देयर लव्ड वंस. मगर बहुत पॉजिटिव्स भी हुआ है. फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव इज कि पीपल हैव लर्न टू लिव विद देयर फैमिली. भाग दौड़ की जिंदगी, आज साथ में रह रहे हैं, आज घर में वाइफ, माँ, बच्चे क्या क्या काम करते हैं उनको पता चल रहा है. कुकिंग सीखे हैं, हॉबीज सीखा है, मैंने यूट्यूब का सर्टिफिकेशन लिया है, इस तरह से किया है. सेकंड है, लोगों ने झूठ सच बोलना सीखा. दे स्टार्टेड बीइंग ऑनेस्ट. भैया मुझे कोरोना हो गया, भैया तू मेरे से दूर रहे. Second is they have started helping their neighbors. Neighbors को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, they are giving them foods. अगर वो आइसोलेशन में आ गए तो उनको दे रहे हैं उनको. इसके अलावा चाहे वो मंदिर हो, मस्जिद हो, गिरजाघर हो, गुरुद्वारा हो, सब बंद थे, पर सबने घर में पूजा किया, क्योंकि मन ही मंदिर है. मन से पूजा करो, मन ही मंदिर है. एंड हाइजीन, कोई मास्क नहीं पहनता था. ये रहा मेरा मास्क, अभी भी पड़ा है, मैं टॉक के लिए मैंने निकाल के रखा था. तो हाइजीन, ये सैनिटाइजर है, हमेशा साथ में हम रखते हैं. तो ये सब हाथ धोना, ये सब हमने सीखा है, डिस्टेंस रखना सीखा है. एक बार वैक्सीनेशन आने दो, डेफिनेटली आएगा. एंड वी हैव टू बी प्राउड ऑफ अ साइंटिस्ट जिन्होंने ये वैक्सीन बनाया है. पूरे वर्ल्ड हमारे साइंटिस्ट, कल कनाडा के प्रेसिडेंट, उन्होंने बोला नहीं, आप ही का वैक्सीन चाहिए मुझे. वर्ल्ड में एक ही जर्नल है, साइंस जर्नल, उसमें खाली इंडिया का वैक्सीन के बारे में ही उन्होंने लिखा है, इट इज लॉन्ग लास्टिंग एंड बेटर. तो आप लोग डरो मत, वैक्सीन लगाओ. मार्च में सीनियर सिटीजन शुरू होंगे, आप लोग लगाओ जाकर. इट इज वेरी गुड. एंड बी पॉजिटिव ऑलवेज, है ना. पॉजिटिव ये मत कि आप लोग मतलब सबको चीज पॉजिटिव ही हो गया, तो रीजन के साथ पॉजिटिव होना है कि हाँ मैं पॉजिटिव रीजन, इसलिए किसी भी चीज के लिए पॉजिटिव हो गया. पॉजिटिव तो रीजन के साथ रहना है. सो दैट्स व्हाट फ्रॉम माय साइड. ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस. आप लोग जल्दी से 3 साल खत्म करो. आरगेट इज वेटिंग फॉर यू ऑल. मुझे बेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स चाहिए मेरे लिए, तो उसके लिए वर्क हार्ड करो. आरगेट के लिए हमेशा डोर्स आपके लिए ओपन है. और हमने एक इनिशिएटिव भी शुरू किया, उसका नाम है वर्क मॉप. इसमें हम 5 साल से करीबन एम्प्लॉय एंगेजमेंट करते हैं, जहां बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन हो गया, न्यू एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेशन हो गया, न्यू बेबी बॉर्न सेलिब्रेशन हो गया, इवेंट्स हो गया. आरगेट में जो भी होता है हम सारा सेलिब्रेशन वर्क मॉप पर करते हैं. तो हमने सोचा क्यों नहीं ये दुनिया को खोला जाए, और दुनिया को हमने अभी एप्लीकेशन खोला है. और ये एक हमारा इनिशिएटिव है कि लेट्स इंस्पायर टुगेदर, मेरी कहानी. तो मैंने अभी तक करीबन 500 वीडियोस ले चुका हूं, और इस वीडियो के जरिए हम पूरे सोसाइटी को, उदयपुर को, इंडिया को और वर्ल्ड को एक मैसेज दे रहे हैं, एक वैल्यू दे रहे हैं उस एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू, कि मतलब मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं, पॉजिटिव मोटिवेट. उन्होंने लोगों के गले में, लोग हार तो रोज डालते हैं, और सर के गले में भी हार सब डालते हैं, बट उनके पैर के छाले देखे नहीं है. हाउ मच वर्क, हार्ड वर्क दे हैव डन. सो वो दिखाने के लिए हमने करीबन 500 वीडियो लेकर, माय टारगेट इज 10,000. तो जो भी एलिट मेंबर्स है उनके हम लोग उसमें स्टोरीज डालते हैं, एंड यू कैन गो एंड गेट वैल्यू फ्रॉम दैट एंड लर्न फ्रॉम देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट कि एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच. जो भी मेंटर्स अभी है यहाँ पर, आई कांग्रेचुलेट देम कि इतने साल से दे आर डूइंग फैंटास्टिक. गीतांजलि, एंड मैं हमेशा गीतांजलि का जिसका फुल फॉर्म है GITS, मेरे लिए है ग्रेट इंस्टीट्यूट टू GITS टू स्टडी, ग्रेट इंस्टीट्यूट टू स्टडी. तो गीतांजलि में ज्वाइन करके सबसे पहला तो सक्सेस अब वहीं से शुरू हो गया आपका लाइफ का, कि यस आई जॉइन द राइट इंस्टीट्यूट. सो कांग्रेचुलेशन ऑल ऑफ यू. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for taking your precious time and being with us and sharing your motivational ideas with our students. I'm sure that today all of us have learned a lot, like how to get success, how to reach goal, importance of good health, being a socially responsible person, and yes, there must be a purpose in life which brings passion, patience to achieve goals of life. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your amazing ideas. And now, if you allow us, can we take some questions from our students, sir?
Yeah, please do that.
Yes, students can raise your hand or they can uh, send their questions in the chat box so that sir can answer. Students can raise their hand.
I'm not able to see any students here.
Actually, sir,
Oh,
there in between your talk, there were 2 to 3 students. They have
okay,
raised their
okay,
hand.
okay, okay, okay. Why it's not maximizing? Yeah, please tell me. You can ask me.
Yes, sir. Just sir, can I ask you something?
Yeah, please. You can ask me.
Uh, yes, sir. Sir, you have talked about the social responsibility.
Yes.
There are many fields, but as I am a teacher,
Yeah.
and but we want to participate in every field. How can we do that? Just to stuck in our own field, or we can give or provide services at everywhere where we think so.
See, you want to excel in your field, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So again, that is hard work and practice. That is very
Mm-hmm.
important. And I'll tell you something. Uh, I'll just tell you a story. तो आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. May I?
Yes, sir. बिल्कुल.
Yeah. There was one scientist and there was one professor. They both were
Hmm.
neighbors and they were staying in their home. So they planted a tree in front of their corridor or whatever in the garden. So boss, they water the trees every day. तो बहुत साल हो गए and trees grow, the trees were grown and all. तो जो साइंटिस्ट था he used to water it daily और बहुत पानी देता था. और जो प्रोफेसर था पानी देता था बट कम देता था. बट पेड़
Hmm.
दोनों के बड़े हो गए, किसके बड़ा था, इसका थोड़ा छोटा था, बट बड़े हो गए. वन डे देयर वाज अ साइक्लोन, देयर वाज स्टॉर्म फ्लड इन द सिटी. रात भर चलता रहा. सुबह उठकर वो लोग देखने चले गए. यार देखते हैं कि यार हमारा नुकसान कितना हुआ है. तो टू द शॉक ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट, उसके सारे पेड़, मोटे पेड़, जड़ थे, वो सारे उखड़ के चले गए. पर प्रोफेसर
Hmm.
का जो पेड़ था वहीं पर खड़ा है. एंड वो शॉक हो
Hmm.
गया, तुम तो पानी कम दे रहे थे, मैं तो बहुत ज्यादा दे रहा था, तो ऐसे कैसे हो गया. तो उसने कहा
Hmm.
कि मैंने क्या पानी कम इसलिए दे रहा था क्योंकि मैं उनके ऊपर भी छोड़ रहा था कि तुम भी पानी ढूंढो. तो जड़
Hmm.
क्या किया, तो रूट्स व्हाट दे डिड, दे वेंट इनसाइड, डीप इनसाइड द ग्राउंड, और वो स्प्रेड करते गए पानी ढूंढने के लिए. वो
Hmm.
ढूंढने के चक्कर में दे बिकेम वेरी स्ट्रांग. तब जो भी तकलीफ आएगा, नुकसान आएगा, जो भी आएगा, दे आर एबल टू विथस्टैंड. तो आजकल के पेरेंट्स क्या करते हैं, बच्चों को सब फीडबैक देते हैं. और वो साइंटिस्ट जो तो सारा पानी दे रहा था, तो उनके करने के लिए कुछ था ही नहीं. तो आजकल
Hmm.
पेरेंट्स बच्चों को क्या करते हैं, दे आर नॉट गिविंग देम, आई मीन दे आर गिविंग देम एवरीथिंग, सब लग्जरी देते लाइफ. उनको तकलीफ का पता ही नहीं चलता क्या होता है. सो यू
Hmm.
हैव टू बी ऑन द फील्ड एंड यू हैव टू लाइक बी स्ट्रांग. एंड वो स्ट्रांग कैसे आएगा, एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से आएगा. एज यू ग्रो, एज यू लर्न थिंग्स, अपने भी सीखो, वहां से भी सीख रहे हैं, एंड देन यू बिकम
Hmm.
स्ट्रांग. तो सोशली आपको ये करना है तो डेफिनेटली पेरेंट्स को भी आपको ये सब गाइड करना ही पड़ेगा.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
इफ यू वांट द
Thank you, sir.
स्टूडेंट्स टू बी वेरी स्ट्रांग एंड दे वांट टू ग्रो इन द लाइफ,
Hmm.
बहुत तकलीफें आएंगी, बहुत अप्स एंड डाउन आएंगे लाइफ में. बट
Hmm.
आपको तो चलते जाना, कोई शॉर्टकट्स नहीं है इसमें. तो आपको तो आगे
Hmm.
बढ़ते ही जाना है आपको.
Hmm. Sir, there is a question from our student.
या
The question is how to choose a purpose.
How to choose a purpose in life?
Hmm.
See, पहले बात तो आप को जब भी स्टडीज करोगे, यू नो कि मेरा इमीडिएट पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ क्या है मेरा. फर्स्ट इज योर स्टडीज. और स्टडीज में आपको पर्पस इन लाइफ है कि आपने कौन सा सब्जेक्ट सेलेक्ट किया है, उस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में नॉलेज गेन करो. एंड वंस यू रीच दैट लेवल, तो आपको पर्पस खुद नजर आना शुरू हो जाएगा. बट यू हैव टू वर्क फ्रॉम नाउ. ऐसे नहीं कि भाई मैं बाद में करूंगा. नो, देयर इज नो टुमारो. यू हैव टू डू इट टुडे. तो वो चीज के लिए, पर्पस के लिए आपको आज से करना पड़ेगा. मेहनत, प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी, हार्डवर्क करना पड़ेगा. बहुत जरूरी है. एंड पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ, आपको जो सब्जेक्ट आपने सेलेक्ट किया है कॉलेज में, आपको वो पर्पस को रखना है. उसके बारे में स्टडी करो. मेरा और इसके ब्रांचेस क्या है, इसके और मैं कितना आगे पढ़ सकता हूँ. टीचर्स है, उनसे गाइडेंस लो कि मेरा पर्पस ये लाइफ में ये बनना है. तो डेफिनेटली खाली बनना नहीं है, उसके लिए वर्क हार्ड भी करना जरूरी होता है.
Hmm.
I just view some other questions have come. There's one more question.
No, sir, not
Hmm.
yet. Okay. And now I invite Arvind Pimawat, sir. Sir, wait, there is one more question.
Yeah,
Then I.
please.
Family is the ultimate source of support and motivation. But
Correct.
what if family does not support your dreams just because of gender discrimination between siblings? Rebel is the right thing to do, or just to have faith in God and to go with the flow?
No, no, no. It should not be rebellious. Rebellious नहीं
Mm,
होना है, because parents, they are more senior to you, they are more experienced, and they know exactly what is good in you. But उनको बैठ के समझाओ कि भाई देखो, जो मैं कर रहा हूँ उसका वो क्या है, उसका पर्पस मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ. वाई एम आई हैविंग इंटरेस्ट. मैं अगर किसी और स्ट्रीम में चला गया, कंप्यूटर साइंस में गया, बट मैं एक सिविल इंजीनियर हूँ, तो मुझे कंप्यूटर साइंस में तो मार्क्स आएंगे नहीं. मुझे तो सिविल इंजीनियर करना है. मुझे तो उनको बैठ के समझा, उनको काउंसलिंग करो. उनको नहीं होता तो आपके टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स, आपके जो है मेंटर्स है आपके कॉलेज में, उनके पास टीचर्स को मिलाओ, उनको गाइडेंस लो कि भाई हाँ ये चीज है. और सिबलिंग्स का जहाँ पर सवाल है, आज दोनों इक्वल है. मैं मुंबई से हूँ, मैं दुबई से हूँ, तो आई नो कि हम लोग फीमेल्स को कितना रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, और उनको देना भी चाहिए. वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट जरूरी है. वुमेन आर मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर बाय हार्ट एंड बाय ब्रेन. तो उनको कोई कमी नहीं है उनमें दोनों में. आज अगर कोई भी लड़की है तो ये मतलब नहीं कि वो कर नहीं सकती है. आप बहुत सारे आप अचीवर्स देखोगे फीमेल्स को. तो सिबलिंग्स में कभी भी ऐसे होता नहीं है. तो यू हैव टू प्रूव एंड यू हैव टू काउंसल देम. वो जरूरी है, क्योंकि हो सकता है वो किसी और ने मिसगाइड किया है. एंड कभी भी हमको एक फुटबॉल नहीं बनना है ऑफ अदर्स ओपिनियन. फुटबॉल नहीं बनना है. उसने बोल दिया, ये सोचो आपने एक मोटरसाइकिल खरीद लिया ब्लैक रंग का, और आप मंदिर गए, कहीं भी गए, और आपने पूजा किया, नई गाड़ी की. एक दोस्त आके बोल दिया, अरे यार तेरे लाल कलर का लेता तो अच्छा होता, तो गए आप. डोंट डू दैट. डोंट बी लाइक फुटबॉल टू अदर्स ओपिनियन. अपना ओपिनियन जो लिया है रखो, और उसको पेरेंट्स को समझाओ. दे विल अंडरस्टैंड यू. है ना. अगर आपके पास भाई है, बहन है, अगर बड़ा भाई है या छोटा भाई है, उसको पेरेंट्स नहीं समझते, तो आप उनको सपोर्ट करो. आप भी सपोर्ट कर सकते हो अपने भाई बहनों को कि भाई नहीं, शी इज राइट और ही इज राइट.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And
थैंक
now
यू
I
वेरी मच.
invite Mr. Arvind Singh Pemawat, sir, Head Training and Placement, GETS, to give away vote of thanks. Over to you, Arvind, sir. Chintal, sir, is Arvind, sir, here?
We can ask students for more questions until he comes.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yes, Arvind, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank one of my good friend, or we all can say is my elder brother, because we are associated from more than 10 years when I started my education career.
Correct. Arvind, I want to
I
see
must
you.
say,
We have videos of. I want to see you.
हाँ sir, I'm already on my videos.
Acha. Okay.
You
Okay.
can just, now you can see me.
Now it is showing 1 minute. I'm not able to see. Yeah, your audio is on.
Yes, sir. Arvind, sir, your video is off. It
Your
is
video is
showing
off.
off.
Yeah, you have to mute,
But
unmute it.
from my side, it is showing on.
No, sir. Like
Now I
Now.
can. Now we
yes, sir.
can see
Yes,
you.
sir.
Now I
Yeah.
can
Now
see
it's
you.
So
Yes.
sorry for this technical issue, right?
It's okay. It's okay.
Sometimes it cannot help us.
It's
So
okay.
thanks a lot. Thank you, Rajesh Bhatia sir. And I must tell to all the students, he is a good friend of mine from last 10 years, and you can say he's my elder brother, and he is the core HR professional. We must say, because in my word, those person will be called as a real HR professional who can understand the emotion of the human resource. And he is a person who is understanding the emotion of their employees as well as the proper understanding towards the growth of the employees. And he is
Thank
taking
you.
care the human resource of more than 3,000 plus employees of one of the leading IT company in Udaipur, and you can say it is a Infosys and Wipro of Udaipur, right?
Great.
So we are very fortunate, sir. I have hear your whole today's deliberations, and it was really a motivating for all the students and as well as for all of us and for me also.
Thank you
So
so
thanks for
much.
giving your valuable time, and it was a short notice. You have accepted our invitation. This is also, we are really fortunate enough to have the friend like you, and with
Thank
this
you.
we are giving again thanks to you behalf of whole Gitanjali family and all the student also for having the patience. And you can see the number of students still after 1 hour, the almost the crowd which have started, at the same crowd we are now at the end. So this shows the interest towards your talk among the students.
I love
So
you all. I love you all.
yeah.
I love you all.
So, or thanks to the anchor, the team, the first year team, the system admin Jindal Patel sir for coordinating this whole event. And with this, I think we can now leave for today.
Yes.
Yeah.
yes,
Thanks a lot. Thanks to everybody.
Thank you very much.
Ma'am?
Thank you.
Yeah.
yes, sir. Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
all
you.
the students. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. Take care. Okay, bye.